Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be playing some Miners Haven. The St. Patrick's update released about a half an hour ago, and I've been doing some testing, just seeing some basic things out. And I'm not going to be saying the stats of like all the new exotics in this because I don't have the new exotics. It's going to be a little while until I get that, but this is going to be a brief overview of the update and kind of what's in it. Basically, St. Patrick update came out. There's a mysterious figure. There's actually like kind of two. And some item fixes, and the Valentine's Day up content is removed. Some new exotics, I believe one or two of them are in boxes, and the other I'll get to in a sec. There's a new reborn item I'm not really sure the requirement for, and there's a new enchanted, which this enchanted actually has a requirement. But if you go to here, there's clovers. Similar to the other updates, the Golden Clover Blaster is back. This was from a while ago. Some of these items in here are pretty old. For example, this guy right here. Let me scroll. I'm not sure about this, but I believe a lot of these other ones were older items. Plus, you have a lucky box. But, so ways that you can get these clovers. Here's one. You can find them randomly on the map. There's those ones that we just found. There's gold ones and there's diamond ones. Diamond ones, I found one, it gave me 20. And there's actually a gold one over there. Let me go grab it. I'm not sure how much the gold ones give you. That's the only one I haven't gotten. 3. Okay, 3, and then the diamonds give you 20. Also, there's an NPC up here with the update board. Good tree. But this guy, he gives you, oh. He gave me 20 clovers about 5 minutes ago. Oh wait, the day just changed. Okay. So you get 20 clovers from him every day. The enchanted item does not appear here yet because in order to get it, you need to complete this. Oh, where's it at? Over here. There's an NPC over here that'll take you to this gladiator rink area, and you have to kill zombies, which I have not done yet. I mean, I've went there, but I've not completed it. I figure I would do it on the video. So you go up to the guy over here by this cage. Hey, you, it's me, your old pal Guest2793. Looking for some clovers? I got clovers. I can get you some clovers, you in? Yes. And teleport. So, it's going to take a second, and then it's going to teleport you to a different game. Revenge of John Doe. I've actually not completed this. I heard it gives you an exotic, and that exotic is going to be a requirement to craft the new enchanted item. But, gotta kill some zombies, so you guys will get to watch me do this with my first reaction. You do heal, which is nice. And these zombies are very strong. Either that or the sword is very weak. And you do have 3 lives too, so if you do die once, don't worry. If you die 3 times, then you have to worry. It's so funny, their movement is so weird. I like the circle tactic, it works really well. Oh, I got a katana. And I'm faster. The speed is kind of messing me up though. It's a little bit harder to control yourself. Three more, it seems. This is also another good tactic. Just to kind of stab them, walk back, stab them. Just keep repeating that. Wave 3. Let's see, do I get another sword? Oh, I got an Uzi. Alright, this is a lot easier now. Oh. Alright, so far this isn't that hard. I feel like on mobile this would be a little bit more difficult. But you mobile players will have to tell me how it is down in the comments. Alright, wave 4. Let's see what our new... Oh. Oh, I like this. Uh-oh. These are the exploding guys. I think I'm gonna... Oh, they're strong. Alright, let's get close to them. Let's see what happens. I feel like if they touch me, I'm just gonna instantly die. Oh! No, not really. I'm curious how many rounds there are. Or waves. Venom Shank. Oh, this is good. This is a long sword. I like this one a lot. Alright, so the zombie, like, their health isn't really changing. But the weapons are, which is really nice. Oh, awesome. Okay. So we got the new badge and the new item, which is very epic. I believe that I already know the stats of the item, because somebody told me earlier. Unless if they were, lying. Alright. So what was it called? I guess we didn't get it yet. Alright, so it probably takes a minute to actually go into our inventory. But let's go see if we could check out the new crafted item. Not yet. But as you guys can see, there is a new enchanted item. We're probably gonna have to wait a few minutes for the item to actually, like, go in our account, I guess. I'm not really sure how long. Oh, there we go. Oh, 250 clovers. That's awesome. 310. That's really good. But we got it. This is a really neat item. I like this a lot. Oh, times 200. Okay. Well, somebody did say it's times 100, so that, this item may be based on different stats. Oh, I just realized the hitbox on this is very messed up. Wow, okay, it's a 2x2 hitbox. Yeah, that has to be a mess up somewhere, because you guys can see, now you can just... It'll probably be fixed soon. But let's go check out the new enchanted item if we could craft it. We're probably not gonna have all the requirements. That is weird. But yeah, there is 1 or 2 exotics in boxes. Let's see if we can find one of them. Oh no, that's the citrus enhancer. Alright, well, I'm not going to open all the boxes until we actually get it. But there is some exotics in here. For example, I know this is an exotic. I know this is an exotic. And these two, I believe they're exotics. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that. But, yeah, guys, definitely, I would definitely recommend getting the upgraders, as they can definitely help you in your setup. The Golden Clover Blaster is a really good item. It's times 4. blaster, but it doesn't destroy your ores. The rest of the upgraders I would still get. After you get all the upgraders, then maybe get some cosmetic items. You know, but oh my god, I actually didn't even mean to click that. Okay. I actually like that. This is a neat upgrader since you can put it on the side. But yeah, guys, that is gonna be pretty much everything for this update. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that fun stuff down in the comments below, or not the comments. Oh my gosh, you guys know what I mean. Check out my Discord, link in the description, fan group, fan shirt, all that fun stuff. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.